bundles dripping down my back. Got bundles dripping down my back. Cause can tell a bitch.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know y'all see it. Y'all see it. It is so cute. I got sent this wig from a new company called Braids Queen. They sent me a ombre 100% hand braid, box braid, high bun, cornrow, 13x5 braided lace wig. This wig came to me really quick. And I believe on their website, this wig is only $129.90. And then if you use my code Oliver20, you can get additional 20% off of that. So yeah, it has ultra soft Swiss lace. Sorry about that, y'all. It's 30 inches long, and it also comes in natural black. So anyway, what I did was just already had her hair braided it back into some straight back cornrows. And I went in and put a little Got To Be Free spray on her edges and brushed them back. Put a beige stocking cap on, and then I just sprayed it down, let her sit under the dryer for about 15 minutes until it was completely dry. And then here I'm just starting in the middle of her forehead and cutting the excess cap off, because if I start by the ears, for some reason the whole thing just starts lifting up. So I just start in the middle of the forehead and cut a little split, and then cut down on each side. So if you feel like you have too much stocking cap in the front, you can pull it back a little bit and cut off as much as you need, so that the hairline won't be down too far. And you want it to be in front of the hairline, but not like all the way down to the eyebrows and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm just cutting the excess cap off, and you'll see me just lifting up any little extra so that I can push it back a little bit. And here I'm just going in with some 91% rubbing alcohol, and I'm just going to clean her forehead, clean her ears. And I'm just using the excess stocking cap to you do that. And then here I went in with some, I don't know what kind of concealer it is. It's from the Beauty Supply, the lightest color. I got the one with a darker color and a light color. I'm just using the lightest one just to kind of like put a little color on the front of the stocking cap. And I'm just using like a e.l.f. steepling brush. That concealer, I think you can get it for like $4 at the Beauty Supply. And then, the e.l.f. brush like $2 or $3 at Target or anywhere. So anyway, here I'm going in with my ghost bun. And I'm just going to put one layer down first, spread it down on this side, and then just go down on the other side and spread it really thin. And I'm going to do it in 3 layers. I'm not sure if I show you all 3, but I am going to do 3 layers of glue. And I'm just using a plastic Sally's rat tail comb to spread it out. You want to use something flat and that won't stick to the glue. So I'm just using the back of a rat tail comb. And yeah, I'm just going in. I'm putting in 3 layers of the ghost bun. And you just keep putting your layers on. You can put 4 or 5 if you want to, but I usually use 3. So anyway, here's the wig right here, and I forgot to show y'all the inside of it. But what I'm doing right here is just cutting the lace off first. This lace right here was super thin, and it looked like a HD lace, but I think they said it's Swiss lace. But it just melted into her skin so well. I don't know what kind of lace it is. It was really good, super thin. So anyway, y'all, I'm finna be looking like I'm forcing this wig on her head, but I'm not. It's plenty enough room in this wig for her head, but since the wig is braided, it's more structured, so it's not any give, it's not any stretch to it. So you have to, you don't want to pull out those minimal baby hairs that they left on there. They didn't leave a whole lot of baby hairs, so you want to kind of pull from the back and lay the wig down, and that's what I'm doing, not pulling from the edges where the baby hair is. So I'm just kind of pulling from the back, and I'm getting it laid down. And then she has enough room in the back for her whole head, even though she got a big old head. So but yeah, I just pulled from the back and then laid it down. And then here I'm just going in with my Conair Infinity Pro blow dryer, and that attachment is a iron attachment that I use on natural hair to blow dry the hair out. That's all that is. It's from Sally's. But yeah, I'm just blow drying the hair and getting it all laid down, making sure it's laid down good. So here I'm going in, I'm just sewing down the back of the wig. And as you can see, the back part is just a black cap, that wig cap that they use to construct the wig on, but it's all box braids in the back. So everything except for that top row is box braids in the back portion. And you just want to sew around kind of like in a C shape, just around over the ears and around the back, and just sew it down. Make sure that it's tacked down really good, and you shouldn't have any problem with it coming up or anything like that. You cannot glue the back of this wig, but you can sew it down. And I think she did pull it up in a ponytail, and it didn't look too bad. You just can't like pull it up in a tight ponytail in the back or something like that. But yeah, that's the hair once it's put on. I'm just putting on a little satin little piece of scarf that I cut so I can try to melt the lace down even more, even though you can't see where that lace starts or stops. So this lace right here is some really, really good lace. So yeah, I just got it tied down, and she just up in here primping and prepping in the mirror. Plus we had an altercation at the shop. I had to cut that part out. It was crazy. But yeah, she decided that she wanted to wear her hair down at this time, but she did end up putting the hair back up in a bun later on. So I did take the bun down. You don't have to take the bun down if you get this wig. You can just leave it up. But she did go back in and put a bun up after she got home. So yeah, I'm just taking that cap off, spraying a little bit more Got to Be freeze spray. And then I'm just going to go in and trim her baby hairs up. You notice that they did not leave a whole lot of baby hairs, and I really, really appreciate that. I don't like a lot of baby hairs like this. So I just went in and trimmed them up. And then I'm just going to go in with a little, this crazy girl. I'm going to go in with a little bit of the Got to Be gel, the black one. I don't think I showed it. Yeah, I got it in my hand right there, but I didn't show it. But the black gel, just put a little bit on the back of my hand that I can work with. And I'm just going to start like carving out her baby hairs. And it's really not any baby hairs. I mean, they didn't leave hardly any baby hairs, just enough to swoop and make it look really natural, like that stuff was her own hair. So yeah, I'm just swooping out her baby hairs. I'm going to make her a few little sideburns. I'm gonna go around to this side and do the same thing. I'm just using a little rat tail comb. You can use a edge brush if you want to, or toothbrush, or however you lay your baby hair. You can do that method to lay your baby hair. Also, you can use the Nairobi or whatever foam wrap lotion that you want to lay the baby hair if you want them more softer. But me personally, I don't like disturbing the glue. I know that it'll lay back down, but I know for a fact that glue does not cure for a few days. So that's why I don't like messing with it with that setting foam, the foam wrap. So I'm just using the Got to Be gel, and you can use any other kind of gel. I would just stay away from the foam, really, unless you know what you're doing and you know how to do this at home. So anyway, I just sprayed a little bit more Got to Be freeze spray, and I'm just going in with the blow dryer, and I'm just going to make sure that her baby hairs are set. And then here I just took a little bit of about 5 or 6 braids, and I'm just wrapping them around the ponytail to make her a wrap. And you just want to wrap until you run out, till you get to the end of the braids. And I just went in with a bobby pin, and I just put one bobby pin in there, that's all, and I secured it with the one bobby pin. And you notice that her hair is kind of wavy curly on that ponytail from the hair being wrapped in a bun. So I'm gonna go in and fix that also, but first I'm gonna go in with a black wrapping strip, and I'm just gonna tie her baby hairs down while I work on the ponytail. So yeah, you just want to tie a wrap around that while and let that set and melt even more while you work on the ponytail. So I was trying to figure out what to do with the braids, because y'all know I don't do braids. So I put my Tool Science flat iron on a very, very, very low setting. I think the very first setting, which is like maybe like 2 something or 3 something, whatever the very first setting is. It's still hot, as you can see. There's a little steam coming off of it, but I put it on that setting just so I can kind of straighten those, knock those little waves out of the ponytail, because she did want to wear it straight at this time, but like I said, later on she's gonna go back in and put it up in a bun. So you can either wear this hair with the ponytail hanging, or just wear it in the bun like it came, or make your own, customize your own bun. So yeah, I'm just going through. That's my son. This is his girlfriend. They are both annoying as I don't know what. But yeah, I'm just straightening out those waves that was in the ponytail from it being in a bun. Okay, so once you get done straightening the back, I went through and straightened the back too, just from manipulation and stuff. The braids got a little crinkly a little bit, but yeah, I'm just going in with a little bit of oil sheen, and now I'm going to just take some scissors and cut a little split in that black wrapping strip, and then just peel it off. And look at that lace, y'all. Look at that damn lace. Man, that is some good lace. Like, they need to make some of these lace wigs with this kind of lace. Like, some of these lace wigs are bad. But anyway, I'm just going in with a little bit of alcohol, just cleaning off any extra, got to be spray or gel, and just making sure that everything is clean. And you see she loving her hair, child. Yeah, so this hair came from Braid Queen, and they have an Instagram. I have it listed below. And they also have a website. I also have it listed below. Use code Oliver20 for 20% off, and follow them on their Instagram. Also, follow me on all of my social media. Thank you guys for watching.